I welcome you all in this new video. And this new video you will learn donut chart. Donut chart is useful to show the entire data converted into percentage, and that in a fantastic way. So let's start. Here we have profit, and in a company it is imaginary data. And here we have four products L, M, and O, and this is the percentage of profit contributed in the year 2019. So let's see how to prepare this donut chart. Simply select the data and go to insert. Here you will find pie chart, and here at the bottom it is showing donut. So simply it is created. What you have to do? Select the entire data set, use Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and here now we have two layers of data set. Before moving further, apply the data labels to it. First one to the inner part and second one to the outer part. Once the data label is applied, just click here, and here you can reduce the donut hole size so that it look attractive. Yeah, now it is looking better. And one thing to understand, angle of first slice, let's see what are the options here. Angle of first slice, it is starting from this point, and if I want it to start from this place or this place, so you need to change the orientation here. 90%, now it is starting from here. If I make it to 180 degree, now it is starting from this place. So this way it is showing, it is appearing. What additional we can do? Why I have created the outer layer? Outer layer is created to understand what it is showing. For that, mention the category name and remove the values. Now it is showing better in this order. We can remove these legends because we have applied the labels here. You can remove the chart title, and because when we are showing into some presentation and at particular place, then you can take this data and copy paste and you can show there. What additional we can do in this? It is looking nice. You want to make some improvement, for example, go to format tab, and here there are certain options. You can give various shape effects to the, there are so many options which are available here. Let's take to the glow effects, and here I am selecting this one. Now this is showing the glow effect. Once again, let's go to shape effects, glow, and I'm selecting this one. So this is looking really nice and better than what initially it was built. So this is a wonderful way to express your data. This is when we have data which is given for 1 year. But this can also be used for 2 layers or 3 layers. For example, the similar data which is presented here for 3 years now in 2019, 20 and 21 as well. So in a single chart, we can show the progress. The steps will remain same. Select it, increase the size of the chart, select thing, and here simply go to quick layout and here apply. It is showing the percentage. Just selecting it, it is showing the percentage. Select on data and format data series. Reduce the donut hole size. Increase the chart size by stretching this to your left and right, up and down. Now we can remove this chart title. Select the entire thing, and from here you can increase the font size. You can make it bold. Next, do the same for the inner circle. Bold, and for the third circle. bold. What you can do by selecting here, by selecting into the format data labels, by selecting this, you can remove the category name. So once it is created, now we can compare this data. Once this donut chart is created, after doing some improvements that you can study from here, that you can do by going to format tab, you can give to shape effects. Let's give the glow effect. Select outer shape, go to glow on this swatch, and you can give shape outlines to show the difference clearly. Here again, this time let's take some other color. So this way it is showing. Now clearly you can find out that L product, which was contributing to 12% of the total profit share in 2019, its share has increased to 16% in 2020 and 17% in 2021. On the other hand, if you look into M product, for its percentage of share profit is reducing from 45 to 42. Next, it has made bit improvement, 42%. For N product, it is continuously increasing 14% to 18% and 20%. And then in this case, O, again you can find out. So this is very good way to show the data. I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, kindly leave a comment and give thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you're not subscribed to our channel till now, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.